This is my Hoover Clean Slate. I'm gonna try and take out some tough stains with it, including dog pee. I know it's disgusting. My dogs just peed on my carpet. And then I found a hidden stain back here. I found another paint stain or mud stain. So we're gonna use this today and test out the Hoover Clean Slate on tough stains. I've been using the Hoover Clean Slate now for a few years, so this has actually held up really, really well. It has really good reviews. I really don't have any cons to say about this. It's small, but it will take care of a decent room size. Don't want it bigger because I want to be able to take this with me from room to room without having to lug around something very big. So I do like it for spot cleaning and for rugs like this size. It's pretty easy to clean, like pretty much this comes off. You just clean the brush. There's a hose rinse tool that you can use to clean out the hose. The cord is really long, so if I need to plug it in at the edge of my room, I can still take this with me. It's not too heavy. A solution goes in here, dirty water goes in here. And really easy to start just by pressing the red on button. It took out my tough stains and also the dirty scent that was lingering in this carpet. Highly recommend this. We've used it for years, haven't had any issues. Hasn't broken down on us. Just keep the hose clean. Clean this out regularly and you should be good. If you like content like this, I like to review all sorts of stuff around my home. I like to buy cool gadgets and test them out for you. So I would love it if you would subscribe, and I'll see you next time.